Hello everyone. Welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn how to use RAND, RAND array and RAND between function.
Let's begin. First of all, we will see the RAND function, RAND array, and then RAND between. First, we will look at the RAND, why it is used. RAND, the function, will give us the numbers between 0 and 1. For example, here I used it. I'm going to remove it, and I will use it here equals to RAND and bracket start, close. It is automatically, you can see it generating the number. Okay, and I'm then dragging this information here. And if you need to change the numbers, just press F9 and it will change your numbers as per your requirement, what you are looking for. Then we have a RAND array we are using to generate a bigger data for these numbers, whatever we are looking for. For example, I'm using it here. I'm going to remove it equals to rand array and how many rows it will go down. 10 rows go down, 10 columns, and what is my minimum number? My minimum number will be 5,000 and my maximum number will be 10,000. It can be any number. It's up to you. And then comma, false or true. With the false, you will get the decimal numbers, and with the true, you will get complete whole number. Just close the bracket and you can see it here. And if you want to change it, you can just click F9, the numbers will change. And in this data, I just used the unique array with the same numbers, same formula, just I started with the unique. So you can see it here, all the numbers. If you want to create more numbers, just select the data and drag down the information. See here now. And what I will do it here. I change the formats and now I'm going to assign the numbers. For example, 50 and 10 is okay with me. The column wise 50, you can see it here now. It's up to 50 levels. It is down now and I'll just format. It's up to you. You can create a bigger range of the data. Here in RAND between, what is this function? It's very easy. RAND between is a function, the minimum number and the maximum number in between, you are going to create some numbers. Okay, I'm going to create from 1, the top number is 1000. That's all. See it here. Just now I'm not giving the range. Have you noticed this one? I'm not giving the range. Like 10 columns go down, right columns, left columns. I'm not defining that one here in this one. I'm just assigning, giving the number, and I will drag my information. You can see it here. You can see it here. I'm just generating. Okay. Then there is a small thing which you can, in daily routine, you can understand and you can do that one as well. Over there, I used, this columns and rows both. But here, I just created the data based on the columns. For example, here in this one RAND function, I used 100 and 1000 number and plus fractional numbers. See here, RAND numbers I generated up to 10 level. Then here 100 to 1000 in between this number, and then I have created this RAND using this RAND plus RAND between and RAND. Like I will give you the example equals to RAND between 100 to 1000 bracket close plus RAND. What it will do, it will give you the fractional numbers. You can see it here. It is giving us the fractional numbers now. If I will not add this rand, it will not give me the fractional number. Okay, here this one is important. This is a sequence. I'm using the sequence up to 25. You can see it here. Now I want to make some sequence of these numbers to be different. For example, I want to use the sequence of uh, 10 for 10 digits up to here, and it starts from equals to, I will remove it and I will guide you, equal to sequence. Okay, sequence rows 10, no column, and start with 2, and the sequence number will be, the step number will be, for example, 3. What it will do, you can see here in between the numbers, it is creating automatically a difference. 2, 5, between 2 and 5 the difference is 3, 5, 3, 8, 8, 3, 11, 14. So it is automatically sequence creating this one. And here I just use the formula of sequence plus sort by function. I used it. It's up to you. If you want, you can use it in some cases, just you need it, but I created for you this one. Here I created the random numbers, and here the rand function I used it, and here this one I sorted it. Just click this information, go to right click, sort function, custom sort, and here you can select by numbers, smallest to largest. You can see it here, it is smallest to largest. And if I want, I can go back again and custom sort, and here instead of numbers I'm selecting the rand numbers from largest to smallest. Now you can see it here, it is changing accordingly. So this is basically a rand function. You can create the random numbers between 0 to 1, certain ranges, big data you want to create, it's up to you. Thank you very much.